Hello guys, my name is
Roberto!
Today I want to show you a trick that I learned at the age of 9. Say stop at any time.
Stop!
Okay. Remember this card. Shuffle the cards a bit. I'll find your card on the first try. It's not yours. 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 Here's your card. I think you were wondering.
Oh, yes.
Now I will teach you how to do this.
No, God!
First we will tell the viewer to say stop. Then we raise the top stack. And then we will imperceptibly remember this card. Then we will show the viewer's card. 6 viewers' card. Now the card is in the middle. We will shuffle the cards like this. So the card stays in the middle. Then we turn over the cards one by one. Just don't forget your card 6. Here it is. Sly, it's my card, that means. The next card is the viewer's card. Viewer's card. This is my car. After that it will be the viewer's card. Today I have revealed the secret of the focus for you. For this, the magician's just me. So if it's not difficult for you, please subscribe.